Welcome to our public speaking course. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this course will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to become an effective and confident public speaker. Public speaking is a vital skill in today's world, whether you're giving a presentation at work, speaking at a conference, or addressing a group of people in any other setting. In this course, you will learn the basics of public speaking, including how to research and prepare a speech, how to structure your message, how to engage and persuade your audience, and how to manage nerves and stage fright. You will also learn about the use of nonverbal communication and how to use it to enhance your message. By the end of the course, you will have the tools you need to deliver powerful and effective speeches and presentations. Let's get started. Researching and preparing a speech involves several steps. Define the purpose and audience of the speech. This will help you determine what information you need to include and how to tailor your message to the audience. Gather information. Research the topic using a variety of sources such as books, articles, and websites. Take notes and organize the information in a logical manner. Create an outline. Organize the information you have gathered into a logical structure. The outline will serve as a roadmap for your speech. Write the speech. Use the outline to write the speech, keeping in mind the purpose, audience, and message. Make sure to include an introduction, body, and conclusion. Practice delivering the speech several times to improve your delivery and timing. Practice in front of a mirror or with a friend to get feedback. Rehearse the speech in the actual setting where you will be giving the speech if possible. This will help you get a feel for the space and make any necessary adjustments. Be prepared for the unexpected. Have a plan B ready in case something goes wrong. By following these steps, you will be able to research and prepare a speech effectively and deliver it with confidence. Structuring your message is an important aspect of public speaking as it helps to make your speech clear, organized, and easy to follow for the audience. Here are some steps to structure your message. Start with an attention-grabbing introduction. Your introduction should capture the audience's attention and give them a preview of what you will be talking about. Clearly state your main point or thesis. This is the main idea or message you want to convey to the audience. Provide evidence and examples. Use facts, statistics, anecdotes, or personal experiences to support your main point. Use a logical structure. Organize your speech in a logical and easy-to-follow manner, such as chronological order, cause and effect, or problem solution. Use transitions. Use transitional phrases or sentences to link one idea to the next and help the audience follow your message. End with a strong conclusion. Summarize your main points and leave the audience with something to think about. By structuring your message in a clear and logical way, you will be able to engage your audience and make your message more effective. Engaging and persuading your audience is an important aspect of public speaking, as it helps to make your message more impactful and memorable. Here are some ways to engage and persuade your audience. Know your audience. Understand who you are speaking to, what their interests are, and what their needs are. Tailor your message and language to your audience to make it more relatable. Use storytelling. Use anecdotes and examples to illustrate your points and make them more relatable to the audience. Use emotions. Appeal to the audience's emotions to create a connection and make your message more impactful. Use evidence and statistics. Use facts, statistics and data to back up your argument and make it more credible. Use rhetorical techniques. Use rhetorical techniques such as rhetorical questions, repetition, and rhetorical devices to make your message more persuasive. Use nonverbal communication. Use your body language, facial expressions and tone of voice to add emphasis and impact to your message. Use humor. Use appropriate humor to lighten the mood and make your message more engaging. Encourage audience participation. Ask questions and encourage audience participation to keep them engaged and make your message more interactive. By engaging and persuading your audience, you will be able to deliver a more impactful and memorable message. Managing nerves and stage fright is an important aspect of public speaking, as it can affect your performance and delivery. Here are some ways to manage nerves and stage fright. Prepare thoroughly. The more prepared you are, the more confident you will feel. Research your topic, practice your speech, and rehearse in the actual setting if possible. Use positive visualization. Imagine yourself giving a successful speech and visualize yourself feeling calm and confident. Practice deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths to help calm your nerves before you speak. Use positive self-talk. use positive affirmations and remind yourself of your past successes to boost your confidence. Focus on the present. Instead of focusing on your nerves, focus on the present moment and the task at hand. Use humor. Use appropriate humor to lighten the mood and make you feel more relaxed. Be yourself, be authentic, and let your personality shine through in your speech. Embrace your nerves. Recognize that feeling nervous is natural and can actually be a positive thing. It can give you energy and help you perform at your best. By managing nerves and stage fright, you will be able to deliver a more confident and effective speech. Nonverbal communication refers to the use of body language, facial expressions, and other nonverbal cues to convey a message or emotion. It is an important aspect of public speaking as it can enhance your message and make it more impactful. Here are some ways to use nonverbal communication to enhance your message. Use gestures. Use appropriate gestures to add emphasis to your message and make it more engaging. Use facial expressions. Use facial expressions to convey emotions and make your message more impactful. Use eye contact. Use eye contact to establish a connection with your audience and make your message more credible. Use posture. Use good posture to convey confidence and make your message more powerful. Use movement. Use movement on stage to add emphasis and make your message more engaging. Use props. Use props such as visual aids to add emphasis and make your message more engaging. Use silence. Use silence effectively to add emphasis and make your message more impactful. Use vocal variety. Use vocal variety such as changes in pitch, volume, and pace to add emphasis and make your message more engaging. By using nonverbal communication effectively, you can enhance your message and make it more impactful. Now that we have covered the basics of public speaking, it's time to put our knowledge into practice. The course project for this class is creating and delivering a persuasive speech. This project will give you the opportunity to research, write, and deliver a persuasive speech on a topic of your choice. Not only will you be able to apply the techniques we've learned in class, but you'll also gain valuable experience in public speaking and receive feedback on your performance. By completing this project, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident and effective public speaker. Let's dive in and start planning our speeches. Project title: Creating and Delivering a Persuasive Speech. Objective: The objective of this project is to give students the opportunity to research, write, and deliver a persuasive speech on a topic of their choice. Students will learn how to research, structure, and deliver a persuasive speech while also practicing public speaking skills. Instructions: Choose a topic. Students will choose a topic that they are passionate about and that they believe they can effectively persuade an audience on. Research the topic. Students will research the topic using a variety of sources such as books, articles, and websites. They will take notes and organize the information in a logical manner. Create an outline. Students will organize the information they have gathered into a logical structure and create an outline for their speech. Write the speech. Students will use the outline to write the speech, keeping in mind the purpose, audience, and message. Practice. Students will practice delivering the speech several times to improve their delivery and timing. Rehearse. Students will rehearse the speech in the actual setting where they will be giving the speech if possible. Deliver the speech. Students will deliver their speech to an audience. The audience can be classmates or people of their choice. Reflect. Students will reflect on the experience and provide feedback on what they learned and what they could have done better. Congratulations on completing this course on public speaking. Throughout this course, we have covered the basics of public speaking, including how to research and prepare a speech, how to structure your message, how to engage and persuade your audience, how to manage nerves and stage fright, and how to use nonverbal communication to enhance your message. You have also had the opportunity to put your knowledge into practice through the course project Creating and Delivering a Persuasive Speech. I hope that you have gained valuable knowledge and skills that will help you become a more confident and effective public speaker. Remember that public speaking is a skill that takes practice and repetition. The more you speak in public, the more comfortable you will become. Remember to always prepare thoroughly, engage your audience, and use nonverbal communication effectively. Thank you for taking this course. I hope that you have enjoyed it and that you will continue to improve your public speaking skills. Remember that you can always refer back to the course material if you need a refresher. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out. Good luck in your future public speaking endeavors.